Hi friends, Flavio here. Have you ever seen a couple have an argument? If you're married or if you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a spouse, have you ever seen a couple having an argument? What do you feel when you watch another couple having an argument? Do you find it silly? And if you do find it silly, you're in good company. We all find it silly. But if you have a significant other in your life and you are having an argument, does it seem silly to you? It doesn't, right? It seems like the end of the world. It seems like this is serious. Of course, their problems are silly. Our problems are real. What do you think of that difference? How come we think of this as being two very different types of things? My issues are serious. They're important. They matter. This is an important issue and I must win this argument because what I'm fighting for is actually important. That other couple over there, what they are arguing about, that's nothing. Those people are silly. Now, I might be exaggerating a little, maybe you don't feel that way, but I think you get a gist of what I'm saying. We perceive ourselves very differently from the way we perceive others. And we assign different values to our feelings, our emotions, our memories, and to our prerogatives in life. In other words, what we think is important and the norms that we think life should be lived by. Well, inside of a couple, the same type of thing happens. In other words, if a couple is having a situation, an argument or a problem, the same type of thing happens. They say, well, my position is solid because I have the truth. That's why I'm fighting so hard for this. What I'm saying and doing is true. It's good. I know what I'm talking about. And we consciously or unconsciously tend to look at the other person's position as being less valid. Well, you're just being too emotional, you're too weak, you're a coward, you're this, you're that. My position is solid, your position isn't quite so solid. You see, we don't look at these two things the same way, and hence the argument. So imagine where that comes from. It comes from ideas that we have stored in our minds that we don't even know are there. We call this the subconscious mind. And look at everything that happens. You know, I have worked for 22 years and I have seen people here who have been divorced and people over, years after a divorce. Oftentimes they tell me the divorce could have been avoided had we just been able to talk a little bit more. Had we just been able to get along and explain our points a little bit better. But people become angry and people project that anger onto the other person. Has that ever happened to you? I know I've seen this a bunch of times. What we do at Life Mastery Academy is help you uncover what are some of those subconscious memories, ideas, norms, concepts that have actually been driving your relationship style, how you function with your partner. Many of the things that you do without thinking, unconsciously, actually work. The other person likes it. But many of the things that we do, equally unconsciously, actually drive our spouses crazy. And we don't even know why we do it, because it's unconscious. Now imagine becoming aware of those things, healing their origin, in other words, healing the cause of that behavior, not only not doing it again, but also substituting it with something awesome. What sort of relationship could you have then? Well, that's why I'm inviting you to come over to Life Master Academy Live, where we're going to take an entire day. You're going to be fully immersed in this transformative event where your life is going to change for the better forever, because we're going to address every important area of your life so that in a balanced way you grow and you become a better version of who you truly are. This is why I'm so excited for you, because you have an opportunity to become a better version of who you truly are. Life Master Academy Live is coming to a place near you. Let's find out the next date. Join us up. Have a great time. Oh, and by the way, at the end of a whole day working hard, we're going to do a great party. You want to make sure that you're there, trust me. And you want to bring a friend with you because it's going to be a whole lot of fun and there's going to be a whole lot of transformation and healing. So looking forward to meeting you. Thank you.